Hey guys, in this video, we're doing coilovers. Let's go! So don't worry, I ask myself this question all the time. What is wrong with me? I've got 2 days. 2 days before the new build is due in this shed, and my hoist is going to be taken up by that build for at least 3 months. And I asked myself, am I okay with how the Altezza is right now, and am I going to enjoy it for the next 3 months? And there's some things that need to be done before that new build gets here. So firstly is the coilovers. I'm not happy with the height on the Altezza. The front is too low, the rear is too high, and I want it perfect. So I've got myself some BC Gold. I've had these before. They are a fantastic coilover for the money, and that should cure those problems. The front upper control arms, it's got these spherical bearings as the bushes, and I'm not happy with them. I've ordered some superpro hardened urethane bushes for those instead, and I'm also going to remake the plates at the top because I do want new ball joints, and I can't seem to find a ball joint that fits into those KFD arms. So I will make a new plate with the mill and the lathe, and then I can press in the JZX 100 ball joints, which will make it easier for serviceability in the future. So let's get this car up on the hoist, get everything out of the car. That way I can jack it up, and also it seems to be rubbing when I've got friends in the car. With just me, it's not rubbing, but if I put a friend in the car, it starts rubbing just a little bit. So without the shocks in the car, it will give me the option to jack up the wheel all the way up, and I can see exactly where it's rubbing. So let's do that now.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit and I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning.
So I've got the upper control arms and the struts out of the front. So let's start pulling these apart because I need to make up new ball joint holding plates.
so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. KFD right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might.
Okay, so I've made up the plates. Now I've just made them so they're exactly square to the shape of the plate. And I've super glued them together with these little spaces on them. So when I put it in the lathe, it's all going to be equal and even. And I'm going to lathe up both at the same time because it will make it easier.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he stabs me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. KFD right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. KFD right in your side. You will never see me coming.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
And the plates are finally done. Now, they took literally a day. And so I've run out of time. I don't have the bushes yet for the upper control arms. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to run with the spherical bearings instead. And hopefully these work because I believe I've done a press fit, but I won't know until I try and press in the ball joints. So let's press the ball joints in, then we can mount these back up and be done with these control arms. Finally.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay.
Yes! I am the greatest machinist ever!
Strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I must say, I absolutely love having a mill and a lathe. It is absolutely fantastic for a car guy. Making these plates up has really just completely repaired these control arms. Now, I would have liked to go on Superpro bushes, but it's currently 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning right now, and the bushes didn't arrive, unfortunately. They were supposed to arrive on Friday, they did not. So unfortunately, I'm just going to have to run with these for the next 3 months and be okay with it. So I'm gonna be okay with it, but I am running out of time. I'm picking up the new build at 1 o'clock today. So I do not have time. I do not have time to do coilovers, but I need to get them in this car and it's set up. So I need to coilovers back in the car and do an alignment all in the space of the next few hours. So I need to get a move on. But unfortunately, I've run out of time for editing. And if I want to get the video out this weekend, it's going to have to end there, unfortunately. So please like and subscribe as it does help out the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.
It's you.